So we have this 2024 Silverado 1500. As you guys can tell, we already did the reverse lights, we already did the license plates, and we also did the rear side marker, which is not common, but we did it either way. Right now we're going to show you guys how everything looks before the upgrades, before the LEDs with regular fluorescent bulbs, and of course versus now with the new upgrades. Sit back and let's show you guys how to install and the performance. Alright guys, and of course use your T15 screw here to remove the two locking screws that hold it. From there, you can push out on the corner. You could use a prying tool, but again, just medicating on the side, you won't damage the tail light, and it'll come out very simple. There you go. These have two guides that go in here. Once you pull it out, the middle one is your reverse light. So just simply turn counterclockwise, and see that click, you know it's out, and remove the housing. Turn counterclockwise, pull the bulb out, and you can just simply take the bulb out. Then you're going to get the new T-T15 and insert into the housing. This bulb might be a little bit harder to get in, but don't be scared. Press against like this, you can hear that nice click and feel. If the bulb does not turn on, again, just simply unplug it, do a 180 turn, reconnect it. It could just be positive and negative, that's incorrect. Since we already tested, we already know this bulb is working fine the way it just went in. Lock it in, and you're ready to put the housing back in. Make sure you follow the two guides on the inside. Once you see it flush all around, just put your two screws in. Alright guys, and the last thing we're going to change out, which is something that's not very common, a lot of people tend to forget about this bulb, is the bottom side marker. It's the very bottom, don't really see it on the housing, it's right here on this side. When you have the truck on, you see a little bulb. So a lot of people don't tend to get this one, but we are going to change it, so you can see a difference. Once you put LED, it's going to pop at night. So just again, turn counterclockwise, take the bulb out. This is using a simple T10 bulb. Bulb out. We have our L-T10R, which is for red. Insert into the housing. Sometimes you have to give it a quick push. Don't be afraid of our bulb. These are built very good. You don't have to worry about it breaking. Once you have it in, simply go in the housing and twist. That's it there. Now it's locked. Now you put everything back together and you're ready to go. There's two screws back in. And just hand tight. And you're done. Simple install. You're gonna have a lot more light on the reverse and on the rear side marker. Alright guys, so we're doing the license plate bulbs for now. We already did this side. The same process. When you do any side you're gonna be doing, you're gonna go for underneath. You have a towing package like this one does. You may have a bar behind you, make it a little bit harder. Just go around it. There's some few entrance holes. Just simply go behind, feel the wiring, twist counterclockwise. Like so, you get a little click, take the bulb out. That's the original bulb. Take it out, you get the new LED. I'm gonna pop them in. And again, we do apologize that we can't physically show you. There's just so much stuff in the way. Once in, backing guide, and twist clockwise. Doesn't stop, you're done. Now this is installed, now we're gonna turn them on and you guys will see the brightness of the bulb. Alright guys, so that sums up the install for this vehicle. Again, it's a simple install. Whereas the reverse lights, the rear side marker, the lights, reverse lights, you guys will be done with it. Again, the part numbers for these parts that we use is T-T15, L-T10R, and L-T10. That's the part numbers that you guys can find on our website, lasfit.com. Just type in those part numbers, they'll come out. Or make it easier, you can type in the year, make, and model of your vehicle. We have a whole combo package for this. Again, if you guys like this data videos, please like and subscribe, and it does help us give you more content. Thank you. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.